maybe multiple shirts too. I remember that thing got stuck in my t-shirt and sucked right up from my stomach. But it grabbed enough of my t-shirt it actually stopped the grind before it hit me in my stomach completely. I still got it kind of torn up on my stomach, but it could have been a lot worse, I guess. It just burned out. I don't know.
Oh, my light died. Generic.
Well, it was $20. I'm staying about it. Something. Since I've been starting trying little videos. I made one for the car, but I used my video camera, so now I have to like go back and edit it, and I'm like, how am I going to do that? I just don't know when I'll do it. Tell you one more bolt. Oh boy. Okay.
Wow, there wasn't 400 washers falling out of that one. You should see the pile of washers that came out of that one.
When the screen goes black, it's still recording?
Yeah.
Just checking. How do you refresh the screen or whatever?
Just tap the top button.
This?
Yep. As long as it's flashing red, it's still.
Yep, still recording.
See.
Wow!
Told you she's got someone else.
Did you break it?
Yeah.
Sweet. I was questioning holding that. So it's spinning.
Yep, we gotta find a way to do it. Forward wrench.
Forward wrench. Gotta bust her up. Yeah, I gotta get this action shot.
Oh, that's high quality.
Hey, save that aluminum, you can scrap it.
Cut on it.
That's what I was gonna say, that's where I'd be using gloves.
See it now.
Meanwhile, it came off with 2 Phillips head.
How did this thing get?
Oh, jeez.
Oh my god! Ow! Damn, that thing broke. Fucking lightning.
I got it all. This is good.
Need a
Normal one.
normal one.
Well, moment of truth, I guess.
Come on, Bruce.
Where are you going with the seat?
On the floor. Oh, there's a wire. The floor don't look as bad now. I don't
Yeah,
know why. I
now-
think the seats made it look worse.
The seats did make it look worse.
Do the owners. You can wrestle her out. Make it a little more. Oh, that wire.
Just pull it. Just pull it. No, wait, okay.
You say, oh, wait, at the end.
Just pull.
Well, I'm gonna pull
I saw the whole dash move. Some good seats there.
I thought that was a roll of checks or something.
Smells like victory. It was Bruce's lunch 5 years ago.
I want to see the expiration date on these things. Popcorn Thunder, White Lightning Cheddar, an explosion of flavor.
Popcorn Thunder. Jeez, that sounds like a bathroom problem.
November 14.
That's not that bad.
Things are only a couple years old.
He was probably walking out there eating his popcorn thunder and just, I'm not burning this grass, so I'll just start the truck.
Oh, this is where I go through the floor. Hey, I found you a surprise.
It's a folded up note.
Oh, let's see it.
Let's see. Do I want to know? Something about Slipknot.
Oh, wow, that's Bruce's daughter.
Oh, Dad, I figured you needed a little good music jam to jam to. Some Slipknot. Bruce listens to Slipknot, huh? Okay, now we're ready.
I need a Torx 50. I don't have a Torx 50. So we are using a M8 triple square on an impact with a 13mm sock.
Look at you.
Eat it for.
I really thought it was just going to shatter. Oh! There's nothing left now.
It's just rounded.
Probably ate the whole
It
nut
ate the whole bolt. Yeah, the triple.
That was a crazy noise. Woo! I can't say how many times I've actually used a pipe wrench to get bolts out. I've used it quite a bit. Rounded off bolts or something. As long as you got room, usually you can get it.
Oh,
I heard it. I was like, I'm waiting to see some skin knuckles.
I just don't got a good light on with these. Ooh, there we go.
Oh yeah, that's the noise we want, I think. You got some heat?
Heat?
Yeah, heat. Torch?
Oh.
Something to help you along?
Demon blaster. Oh, let's see what's under here.
Where's that can of PB Blaster?
Oh, I'm getting it.
Oh.
I keep calling it PB blaster, and it's not PB blaster.
Knock her loose.
Knock her loose. First time that thing's been cleaned in how many years?